everyone, and welcome to another practice video. Today we're going to be doing sevens, or technically called the side step. Last video we learned how to do our lead around using skip 2 threes, which I will link up here and down below. So most reels would start with the circle, the lead around, and then we would do these sevens that we're going to learn today. In this video we're going to show you how to do the sevens, and then you can practice along with me. We will do sevens with skip 2 threes. And then I will practice with you slowly facing away from the camera and then get faster and faster. And lastly, I put it all together. So we do your lead around, which is 8 skips in a circle, then our sevens to the right and left with skips between. To do the side step, start by lifting your right knee. Try to bring that knee to center and your foot above your knee because it's safer than tapping on your knee. And then we're going to hop with our back foot and then place our right foot down and out to the side. Then our left foot comes all the way across and steps behind our right foot. We continue to step out with the right, close the left. Out with the right, close the left. So again, it's lift the right foot and hop, that's 1. Step out to the side for 2. Cross behind 3. Open 4. Cross 5. Open 6. Cross 7. So all our even counts are open and our odd counts are closed. When you're doing your sevens for the first time, be sure that every step you take gets a count. So don't just count your front foot, but count your back foot too. When counting your sevens, be sure that you start the up as 1 and the first step down as 2. So the up is 1, the down is 2. When you're traveling to the right, your right foot stays in front. When you're traveling to the left, your left stays in front. Also remember that we only do the sevens once to each side in the actual dance. In the video today, I'm showing you multiple times so that you can practice. To add on the skip 2 threes, we start with our sevens to the right. Then we pick up our right foot, the front foot, and we hop. Then we do our skip 2 3 on the right, and then our skip 2 3 from the back foot. Then we do sevens to the left. We pick up our front foot again, so the left foot, bring it up, hop, and forward 2 3, back foot, forward 2 3. So remember, we're going to be using our front foot after the 7s each time. Also remember that we only do the 7s once to each side in the actual dance. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Happy practicing, good luck, and have fun.